Hi.
Hi, I'm Sika. So I'm Ranjita. I'm Sika's friend, and I am a freshman at MIT. And we just went to the Bill Gates speech thing.
So you asked him what?
Well, I asked him if he liked MIT Harvard better than MIT, and then I asked him about how young people would be.
Wait, when did you ask him about Harvard and MIT?
Do you want me to get into it? So basically I said that he would when I introduced myself, I said I'm a freshman at MIT and he would probably like Harvard better, but he said he wouldn't. So.
Oh yeah, right. Okay.
So that's good. And then I then asked him how to get young people interested in working to help like with global problems and stuff, because there's not a lot of economic incentive for them to do so. And then he talked about how different funding from companies and from the government could, facilitate this. And then I'm sick wants to hear this part.
This is the best question ever.
And I decided to ask him about whether or how being the richest person in the world affects his life. And he said,
how did we think of this question again?
Hamsika had a brilliant idea from one of her friends, and I said that I would go and ask it, though I was very,
because I was too afraid to.
Yes, Hamsika was afraid to.
Yeah. But basically you asked him what it was like to be the richest.
I said, what is it like to be the richest person in the world,
and how does it impact your life?
And I mean, that's something I've been curious about since I heard about Bill Gates, which is a long time ago, and he's so rich. How does it change his life? And he said that the marginal utility of $1 actually goes down, which makes sense. After a few $100 million, another couple of $100 million doesn't change how you behave or what kind of clothes you can buy. And then he said that the cheeseburgers he gets at McDonald's are the best cheeseburgers, no matter how many billions of dollars he has. But then again, air travel, he says, is a lot better, because he probably has a private jet.
And yours is the last question, right?
Yeah. It was a good place to end, I think, on what's it like to be so freaking rich.
Yeah.
Yep. So.
Yeah, and I was totally sitting next to you during the entire thing, so I feel really cool.
No.
But yeah, so overall, what did you think of Bill Gates?
He, like you said earlier to me, he's definitely not. He's very modest, and he's very. He's a great guy. I think he's a very nice person from the speech and from his responses to people's questions. Yeah.
Yay! Thank
you.
you.
No problem.